Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
I want to walk come and even see him.
Yes. Down the way.
Give me better on you.
I'm on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year. Riding through the winter night. Thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman. And I don't need the bells and bells, but I'll be home for you.
Wow.
I'll be home for you.
Wow. Now what?
Look at all the Christmas lights. How they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you. 'Cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Following the stars that lead me straight to you, And though this long December night, only you can pull me through. Nothing wrong with cheers and carols. Oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow. But I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. Ooh, I'll be home for you. There is nothing else I wish for. Won't you make my dream come true? Let's not wait another year. Make me wish you were here. I'll be home for you. I am on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year.
Hey guys, so I am out with Mia. Mia, say hi. Mia, say hi. Hi. She made me come out. Like, I didn't plan to come out this evening, but she wore her slippers, wore a top, I want to go out. I'm just like, really? Anyways, we are at Shoprite. I came to pick a few things, and then also I also want to low-key check the price of Christmas trees, because I want to buy a Christmas tree this year. I want Mia to be very involved in Christmas this year. So we are here, guys, and let's go. I low-key hope that the price of Christmas trees is not quadruple what it used to be, but let's see. Let's go in and find out. Hi. Hi. Oh, you want to go into Pep? Okay, let's go into Pep.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is right.
You like it? Are you sure? Let's go. Might find another one.
Holding hands to keep
Get
each
you some
other
sleeveless
warm
stuff,
while we
or-
stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that
Which
we
one?
love.
This one? The
Yeah,
new
all
one.
the Christmas
Hello,
songs
your
that we
favorite.
love. And in a
Let's get you
while,
this one.
we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
But there's no price.
'Cause all I want
Look at
is
this
to
one.
spend this day with you.
Purple. But still, this one is too big for
Let
you.
me give you a Christmas
People,
that
yay!
will fill with love
You
and
like
joy.
purple?
It's a beautiful
Pretty on you.
kissing on a mistletoe,
like this
baby,
one?
with you.
Yes, I got this one.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. It's a beautiful kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Pretty.
Ooh.
You like this one?
Yes, I got this one.
Making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you.
One. Pick the one that is.
Just wanna hold
Oh.
you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moon until we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away.
It's cold.
While we're gonna go
you.
inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to
Mia,
spend this
careful.
day.
How much? $74.99.
Christmas.
See? That's a lot. That's 75K.
Wow.
Mama, do you like this one? Do you like this tree? Is it big?
As long as I spend this day with you. It's a beautiful kissing on a
What's that?
mistletoe, baby, with you.
There's a Christmas light. Yeah. Oh, mommy's behind you. That one? This one is 68, 69K. Yeah, Merry Christmas. But it's big.
Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me
That one
give
is
you a Christmas
75.
moment we'll fill with love and
Same
joy.
thing. What are you doing?
It's a beautiful kissing on a mistletoe,
What are you doing?
baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
You know you can't carry that,
As long as I
right?
spend this day with you.
Hi guys. So you guys saw the last clip where Mia and I went on a mommy and daughter dates. Mommy and daughter shopping dates. The main reason why I even stepped out that evening was to check the cost of Christmas trees, because we don't have any at all at home. And guys, so there are actually like two major types at Shoprite, and I'm using Shoprite as an example because I don't intend to go far to look for Christmas tree. Okay, I don't intend to be going around Abuja looking for Christmas tree when Shoprite is just here. Do you understand? Got there and then I saw like two different types. One was 75K, the other was like 68K. And in my head I'm just like, what happened to the days of Christmas trees being 35K, 20 something thousand? Like, now wow, we dey hear am more, we dey hear am no be small. But I really want Mia to be a part of Christmas this year. I mean, the last two Christmases she was literally little. Last year and the previous year before that, you know, she's more aware now, and you know, her school has already even put up Christmas decor and she's so excited, always talking about Christmas. So in my head I'm like, we need to do like a proper Christmas tree. this year and subsequent years afterwards. So yeah, I just might have to close my eyes and buy that tree, because I don't even know at this point. I might have to. I haven't decided, but I definitely will. I already know myself. I'm going to buy that tree, like maybe in the next couple of days. I will definitely buy it, but if I do, you guys will see it as always. I mean, come on. Only thing is that it's not even just the tree that you're spending the money on. You will spend money on the decor for the tree, the balls, the lights, the sachets, all of that. So in my head, I'm already calculating like 80k for all of that. We'll see, Sha. We'll see, because that's a lot of money. All right, that's a lot of money. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed watching Vlogmas Day 4, and I hope you've been enjoying the Vlogmas series since December 1st. I'm doing my best to ensure that I'm always on my toes. I'm doing my best to ensure that I find where to be going to bring you guys content, because you guys are here for content. So I'm doing my best to go out as much as I can and all of that. So yeah, many more content, much more content coming your way. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, day 5. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 5. Mwah. Bye.